You're watching the Tish 21. Oof. She's looking nice as usual. A little dirty today though. Oh, I left the sunroof open. That cold start. Oh yeah, if I hold the key long enough. I don't know what it is. Something about the idle tries to always hang on cold start and other random times. Kind of weird for sure. I gotta like clutch dump it and you see that? I gotta like give it clutch and gear and then release the clutch to get it to idle normally. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm gonna have to get that checked. But you're probably wondering like, yo, why's your gas so empty? Well, the gas gauge is kind of cooked right now. So I do have a fix that I'm working on for that. I think what we did was we tangled one of the lines up with it, so with the float, I mean. So we're gonna get that checked. So it's not actually empty. I've only driven 72K on this tank so far, but it is E. I'm just going to the gym. I don't feel like wasting all this E on just going to the gym, but it is what it is. We know we're going for the drive, so let's enjoy it. That's a nice vagina assist. You don't really see those too often. guys. So took a little break here. We just came to the gym. Definitely got to wash this thing, but whatever, man. It's gonna rain tomorrow, but I think I'll wash it and then park it in the garage. Mother, nah, yo, you're gonna do me like that, bro? I guess I'm too loud. It's too loud for the birds. They'd be shitting on me. So as far as like making full power, there's absolutely nothing stopping this thing right now. We're pretty much at kill. Actually, I lied. We're not on kill. We're on the mid map because we need to get the mixture back up to E55 to be on kill. But that's just a matter of making a trip to Dyno Motorsports to pick up some E85 for the car, and we can see it on full kill. But I mean, I'm sure you see how hard the car is pulling right now. I don't think it's gonna make a huge difference until we hit like the higher speeds. So I mean, I'm not in a rush to go. I'll go do it the next sunny day. We'll go get some night runs in maybe on the full kill. But for now, I just want to enjoy the car. It's definitely way faster than it was before or the last time we had it out. The couple things that I need to address right now, just as like a kind of just to fix things up, clean things up on the car, is one thing is to take open the fuel pump there, the factory fuel pump in the back, and then I need to address the little flotation thing for the gauge because it's all open there right now. So I gotta address that because we need to figure out the gas gauge. I can't go on like this anymore with the gas gauge not accurately reading. I have no idea when the tank's going to be empty, and that shit could be catastrophic at some point. So definitely got to take care of that. Other things, the reverse lights don't work right now because I think the harness on the transmission was damaged one time when we pulled the motor. So because of that, not only do the reverse lights not go on, the backup camera doesn't turn on. The rear tires are kind of old now, so are the fronts, so we may have to like probably swap out the tires at some point. But for now, they're hooking up quite well, and I did like store them indoors, so it's not like they like sat out in the winter or anything like that. The other thing is the brake pads. These OEM Brembo pads are absolute dog water, so I just gotten a set of EBC Blues. We're gonna be throwing those on. That's gonna improve the braking performance drastically because the factory pads here just the shit. I don't even know why I put them on. It was just an emergency thing. I had them lying around, so we threw them in. The other thing over here is going to be to reinstall the clear corner, which is missing right over here. So we gotta put that one in. I definitely need to do something about this bumper fitment, the grill, etc. It's kind of weak right now. And then I kind of want to install some kind of front plate mount that is kind of like a hideaway setup that kind of like either, you know, goes up in behind that bumper area there or maybe folds out from there. That would be freaking cool. And only because we were forced to have them here, and I don't want to have one, but like, you know, if it comes down to I see a cop or something, I'd like to be able to have it presented. So, but the car does look goddamn good. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I know like a lot of you guys probably like, oh, yo, why don't you do some carbon fiber and this and that? I'm like, yo, guys, this build has always kind of just been on the cleaner side. It's like an OEM plus, like, you know, you wouldn't know unless you know it's modified, and especially kind of other than the big tire at the back, and even that is not like a huge drag radial. It's just a bit of a, you know, meaty setup, so no one would really suspect. Kind of like this B58 440i, man, that pulled up on my test pilot the other day. Take a look what happened. Little 440i, eh? Okay. What's good, brother? Thanks, man. Oh, good. Yeah, so as you can see, he did not see that coming. And as for his reaction, he wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna hit the gym, pump some iron, because we got to get big out here, you know, can't be skinny no more. All right, guys, I'll see you in a second.
Oh my fucking goodness, dog. Yo! I'm shaking. Like, what the
So right now this gas gauge is really tripping me out. I really do not know how much gas is in this thing, so I'm gonna have to fill up some gas just to be safe. The E85 content is definitely gonna drop down to, like, you know, out of this map and into probably the 700 wheel horsepower base map. But I'm only gonna put a bit of gas so that I'm gonna fill the rest of it with E85 the next time we get a chance, so that we can ensure that we have full ethanol content in the car and a full tank of gas to mess around with for the next video for sure. Oh boy. It's actually crazy seeing this thing on the road right now. It's been so long. Should we wash it right now or later on? I think I'm gonna leave it for now. Taking it out on the weekend. We're gonna give it a fresh wash on the weekend. I think that's gonna be the best. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time. Peace.